Here's the truth about Bitcoin. It's not going to zero. I invested $2,442.95 and this is day 4 of showing my crypto portfolio until Bitcoin hits $126,000. You can see I invested $2,442. Let me refresh the page. There you go, 2,441. I'm up about $38, 1.6%. Let me switch this over to Rand. As you can see, I have about 42,000 Rand, 116.30. I'm up about 1,300 Rand, about 3.2%. These are my best performers: Fetch AI, BitAndSaw, and QNT or Quant. Render used to be in this place, but Quant just overtook it. It is now 19%, 33%, and 38%. I'm up 290 Rand, 253 Rand, and 143 Rand. This one used to be third place, but QNT just took it over last night, and now we have a new top 3. I just launched my Discord, and we're already at 6 members. You can join today. It's 100% free. Go to my Instagram. You'll find the link to join there. You'll get all the investments I take, all the trades I take for completely free, and you'll be able to build a community of like-minded traders.